Hi there, I'm Eric Landis, product manager of the Outback brand by Keystone RV. Today I want to highlight one special floor plan that we just developed called the 260 UML. This floor plan is a unique offering within our lineup that allows the end user to have the most exposure on their campsite side. One very important aspect is putting 4 massive windows on the door side. So why? For you ability to see on the campsite, to see what's going on out there. Another important aspect of this coach is the fact that we put a 20-foot awning on it. It basically covers the entire length of the coach. Another important feature is when it's fully extended, you still have 5 feet of additional coverage where you can easily put a table out and relax and enjoy the elements. For more information, check out KeystoneRV.com, or we encourage you also to check out your local dealer and ask them about the 260 UML. Thanks for watching.